Did you know that avocados are packed with nutrients that help reduce wrinkles, improve brain health, and keep your joints strong? This creamy superfood might just be the secret to aging gracefully. Welcome to today's video, where we'll uncover why avocados are being called the ultimate secret to aging gracefully. Aging is a natural part of life, but the way we age is something we have some control over, especially through nutrition. Avocados, often referred to as nature's butter, are more than just a delicious addition to your meals. They're a nutritional powerhouse that can help you stay healthy, radiant, and active as you grow older. Keep watching to find out how this incredible fruit can transform the way you think about aging. As we age, our bodies go through changes that can feel discouraging. Skin loses elasticity, leading to wrinkles and sagging. Joints become stiff, making everyday activities more difficult. Even cognitive function can decline, leaving us less sharp than we used to be. While these changes are inevitable, they don't have to define how we live our later years. One of the biggest challenges is that many people don't know how important diet is in combating these effects. A simple fruit like avocado could hold the key to mitigating these issues and helping us age with grace and vitality. Avocados are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can include in your diet, and their benefits for aging are incredible. They are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, which are excellent for heart health and skin hydration. These fats not only help reduce bad cholesterol but also improve the absorption of key vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and repair. Antioxidants in avocados, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, work to protect your body from free radicals that cause aging at a cellular level. These antioxidants also safeguard your eyes, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a common problem as we grow older. Avocados are also a rich source of vitamin E, known for keeping your skin hydrated and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. When combined with vitamin C, another nutrient found in avocados, they boost collagen production, giving your skin a firm, youthful look. Potassium, another mineral found in high amounts in avocados, helps maintain healthy blood pressure and muscle function. This keeps you active and energetic, even as the years go by. Additionally, avocados are packed with fiber, which supports gut health. A healthy gut has been linked to improved mood, better immunity, and overall well-being, making it a critical factor in aging gracefully. Whether you enjoy them on toast, in salads, or blended into a smoothie, adding avocados to your daily routine is one of the easiest and tastiest ways to promote healthy aging. Let me share a story about Linda, a 60-year-old who felt like her body was slowing down. She started eating an avocado a day, blending it into her morning smoothie or slicing it over her salads. After a few months, she noticed her skin looked smoother, her energy levels improved, and she could move more freely without joint pain. Her doctor even remarked on her improved cholesterol levels. Linda's experience shows how small changes, like including avocados in your diet, can lead to big improvements in your quality of life. Avocados are so much more than a trendy ingredient. They are a powerful superfood that can help you age gracefully by supporting your skin, heart, joints, and brain health. Packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, avocados can help you stay vibrant and active at any age. Incorporating them into your meals is simple, delicious, and a step toward a healthier, more radiant you. Have you tried adding avocados to your diet? Share your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear how they've made a difference for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips on living a healthy lifestyle, and explore our other videos on superfoods and their benefits. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.